All right, folks, let's do number 33. 33, I mean. Jared, okay, so let me draw my x-axis. This is going to be the x-axis and the y-axis. Let me erase that. And the Jared airline is moving initially at 300 miles per hour to the east and suddenly enters a region where the wind is blowing 100 miles per hour towards the direction of 30 degrees north or west. So a jet is moving at 300 miles per hour. So that's going to be this direction. And then the wind is going to be blowing at that many miles per hour, 100 miles per hour, in the direction 30 degrees. 100 miles per hour, 30 degrees in that direction. So it's just basically adding the vector component. So it's just taking this. However, notice that I drew this. You can draw it like this, or you could draw it like that. Might as well do that. So you could think of it as, I'm just going to add the components and get the result. So basically it's going to be 300 miles. And this is going to be x equals that per hour added to 100 miles per hour cosine of 30 degrees. And the y is simply, and this is going to be north of these, this is just going to be 100 miles per hour sine of 30 degrees. So that's just going to be straight up 50 miles per hour. So let's put this in the calculator. So the magnitude is going to be 389 miles per hour, and the angle is going to be 7.4 degrees.